Giles Montessori and School. Unit 7. Daedalus and Icarus. English Grade 5. Reading and meaning of difficult words. Daedalus, एक नाम, a character from Greek mythology known for building the labyrinth. Icarus, एक नाम, the son of Daedalus, who flew too close to the sun. Disobeyed, हुक्म ना मानना, to refuse to follow orders or rules. Trouble, मुसीबत, a difficult or problematic situation. Builder, इमारत बनाने वाला, a person who constructs buildings or structures. Crete, एक जगह का नाम, a Greek island where Daedalus was imprisoned. Maze, dash, भूल भुलैया, मुश्किल रास्ते, a complex network of paths designed to confuse. Escape, slash, फरार slash बचना, to get away from a place or situation. Whenever, जब भी कभी, at any time something happens. Curtains, पर्दाए, fabric coverings for windows or stages. Idea, ख्याल, a thought or plan. Feathers, बहुत सारे पर, soft, lightweight structures on birds used for flying. Audience, dash, समीन, देखने वाले लोग, a group of people watching a performance. Wearing, पहन लेना, to have clothes or accessories on your body. Huge wings, बहुत बड़े पर, large feathered structures for flying. Remember, याद रखना, to recall information. Flies off, उड़ जाना, to leave the ground and start flying. Soaring, बुलंद होना, to rise or fly high in the sky.